everyone, hope so that you all are good in this pandemic situation. Actually, in my last video I have mentioned that I will teach you spoken English also. So here I would elaborate the syllabus of spoken English, like what are the steps we have to take for learning spoken English. So here, the first of all, I want to tell you that Hindi is very necessary. If the student is from Hindi medium branches and he didn't study in English medium, so that is why he has to focus on Hindi. And as we know that for spoken English, the grammar is the foundation. So that is why firstly we have to build our grammar, and after that we can clear speak English. So first of all, I will start from the verbs. Like per day I will provide you the 20 verbs and 20 nouns for learning, for understanding, or for using in sentences. And with it I'll just teach you the tenses like present, indefinite, continuous, perfect and all. And it has a different method as compared to bookish language. Moreover, after completing these three portions, we will just start our prepositions, articles, syntax and conjunctions, as we know that it is a part of speech, and punctuations. So after clearing the all things, we will just move to the translation. Like when we will clear the all things, so then after I'll just give you the paragraphs. Like I will give you the Hindi paragraph, you have to convert its English. Moreover, I'll give you the English paragraph and you convert its Hindi. Then after you can just understand the English and Hindi, the meaning of the real English. So here, after completing this task, we will move to the speaking and writing topic. I'll just give you, for example, I'll just give you the topics such as importance of water. So then after you have to write topic on the importance of water. That can be the 100, 200 or more than 200 words. And after writing that topic, you will just speak out also that topic. So after finishing this topic things, we will just go to the conversation. Like we will just start our group discussion, and like we will select any topic, and after that we will just argue on that topic just as a debate, and this will help you to remove your hesitation. And these two things are very important, and these are the eventual things. With the help of you can learn English easily, you can speak fluently, and you will not feel any kind of hesitation. After that, I want to tell you that reading English newspaper is a very good for improving your English. So please, if you didn't start, and if you are just planning to start your spoken English, so before that, this is my advice that you should read English newspaper at your home, because this can help you to improve your pronunciation. This can help you to enhance your vocabulary. Moreover, you can learn the different kind of sentence formation from this. So this is my syllabus, and please, if you like this video, so like it, and just wait for upcoming video. Thank you.